Wet, miserable weather, and it doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon. I filmed this in August, and in the UK this is pretty normal. So what can you do about it? When it comes to productivity and getting on with your garden, don't be a fair weather gardener. Get out there and embrace it, and get on with those jobs. You may get a bit wet, but luckily for us, we're waterproof and can always dry off when the job's done. You appreciate your warm home so much more after being in this weather and get a real sense of achievement. So watch me embrace this weather, giving this beech hedge a cut. And I hope this inspires you to do the same during those wet days.
That was fun. Now I've got to do the other side. If any of you are wondering, these are good waterproofs. There's your answer. Not great. Round 2. That's the beech finished. I'm really happy because I managed to get a nice curve on there on this side, and then the other side it's a nice straight point because it ties in with the rest of the shrubs in the garden there. We've got a hypericum here, finished flowering, so while we're out here we may as well give that one a cut. That's a hypericum cut. I've cut it back really hard because it just constantly overgrows, so give it a good hard prune back, and I'll come back in a couple of weeks and I'll have nice little shoots and that'll all green up and tie in nicely with the beech hedge there as well. Just going to tidy up now. Not going to film that bit, but I'll catch you on the other side.